Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is unit number 2, which is the champions. Today we will do comprehension of unit number 2, class 10, subject English. Book for class 10. Now coming to comprehension of unit number 2. So here we have 9 questions. We will attempt all 9 questions. Question number 1 is, what is the significance of the title champions? What is the importance of the title the champions? What was the importance of the title for both of the boys, Ali and Gulsher? Now the answer is, the word champion means a person who surpasses all rivals in a competition. The title, the champion, is very significant because the story is about a boxing contest in which the winner will be declared the champion. He will then represent his country in World Lightweight Boxing Championship. Now coming to difficult words. The word champion means, what is the meaning of the word champion? The word champion means a person who surpasses, who exceed all the rivals मुखालिफ in competition, मुकाबले में अपने तमाम मुखालफीन पर जब वो फतह हासिल करे, he is termed as champion. The title, the champion, is very significant, very important, because the story is about a boxing contest, boxing fight in which the winner will be declared, winner will be announced the champion. He will then represent his country in World Light Boxing Championship. Now coming to question number 2. What was the dream of Ahmed Ali and Gulsher? The dream of Ahmed Ali and Gulsher was to become lightweight boxing champions of the world. Both Ali and Gulsher were fast friends, गहरे दोस्त होना. In order to make their dream true, they worked very hard. They joined a boxing club where they used to go daily. So there is nothing important to be explained. The answer is very easy. Now coming to question number 3. What was the fight Why was the fight so important for both Ali and Gulsher? Why was fight so important for Ali and Gulsher? The fight was so important for both Ali and Gulsher because the winner was to represent his country in World Lightweight Boxing Championship. The fight was scheduled to be held on 14th August. Knowing the importance of fight, both Ali and Gulsher tried very hard to win the title. So both tried very hard to win the title. Tried very hard, mehnat karna. They do hard work. Question number 4. How did the two friends fight? Describe in your own words in 5 sentences. The two friends climbed into the ring and bowed gracefully before the audience. They did not fight like friends but strangers. During the fight, both took some heavy blows and sustained damage. They threw punches at each other from every direction. All at the end of the final round, they fought so intently that the referee had to put them apart. Now coming to difficult words. The two friends climbed into the ring. Ring, a place where the boxers used to fight. And bowed gracefully, bowed झुकना, gracefully before the audience. Audience सामईन, देखने वाले, the viewers. Audience के सामने वो बहुत बावकार तरीके से झुके. They did not fight like friends but strangers. They did not fight like friends. दोस्तों की तरह नहीं लड़े बल्कि वो अजनबियों की तरह लड़े. During the fight, both took some heavy blows. Blows, punches. दोनों ने मुक्के खाए and sustained damage, and sustained बर्दाश्त किया damage. It means that they hurt each other. और उन्होंने नुकसान या तकलीफ बर्दाश्त की. They threw punches at each other from every direction. वो एक दूसरे पर हर तरफ से मुक्के बरसा रहे थे. At the end, when the fight ended, at the end of the final round, जब फाइनल राउंड ख़त्म हुआ, they fought so intently means purposefully, मेहनत से, बामकसद तरीके से, that the referee had to put them apart, कि रेफरी को इनको अलग करना पड़ा, छुड़ाना पड़ा. वो इतना जुद्दोजहद से लड़ रहे थे कि रेफरी को इन दोनों को छुड़ाना पड़ा. सो दे fought with fairness. Question number 5. Compare and contrast the character of Ali and Gul. Compare and contrast the character of Ali and Gul. So we have to compare the characters of Ali and Gul. What is similar and what is not similar in the character of Ali and Gul. Both Ali and Gul are boxers. They are best friends also. Ali is from Shidi family while Gul is from Pushtun family. Ali is better slugger while Gul is the better boxer. Each has a keen desire to become a lightweight boxing champion. In order to achieve this goal, they work very hard. Ali is from Shidi family. Shidi family means a group of people who lived in or inhabited in Karachi, but they belong to Africa, or their descendants are from Africa. So they are called Shidi. So Ali is from Shidi family and Gul is from Pushtun family. Ali is better slugger. Slugger means who throws strong punches, while Gul is better boxer. Each has a keen desire. Keen means शौकीन होना. Both were eager, desire, ख्वाहिश थी to become lightweight boxing champion. In order to achieve this goal, they work very hard. Now coming to question number 6. Is there any conflict in the story? If yes, describe in detail. Conflict means is there any oppose, मुखालफत, तनाज़ा. क्या इस कहानी में कोई तनाज़ा है? Yes, there is a conflict in the story. The conflict is between two best friends who are like brothers. The conflict occurs when they have to compete, मुकाबला करना, each other to become lightweight champion. The conflict creates distance between them. The conflict gets stronger as the day of the fight comes closer. Now coming to question number 7. What was the effect of fight on relationship of two friends? Before the announcement of fight, Ali and Gul were fast friends. When the date for the fight was announced, rivalry started to create between them. Each had a keen desire to win the fight. For this purpose, they fought like animals. But towards the end of the fight, they realized that the fight was hurting their friendship. So they embraced each other and left the fight undecided. What was the effect? क्या असर हुआ of the fight on the relationship of two friends? लड़ाई का, fight का असर दोनों की दोस्ती पर क्या हुआ? Before the announcement of the fight के ऐलान से पहले Ali and Gulsher were fast friend, दोनों गहरे दोस्त थे. When the date for the fight was announced, जब fight के लिए तारीख का ऐलान किया गया, rivalry started to create between them. दोनों के दरमियान मुखालफत पैदा होना शुरू हो गई थी. Each had a keen desire to win the fight. दोनों फाइट जीतना चाहते थे. For this purpose they fought like animals. इस मकसद के हसूल के लिए दोनों जानवरों की तरह लड़े. But towards the end of the fight, लेकिन फाइट के आखिर में they realized that the fight was hurting their friendship. उन्हें ये एहसास हुआ कि उनकी लड़ाई उनकी दोस्ती पर हावी हो रही है या दोस्ती को तकलीफ़ पहुंचा रही है. सो दे एम्ब्रेस्ड ईच अदर. उन्होंने एक दूसरे को गले लगाया. एंड लेफ्ट द फाइट अनडिसाइडेड. और अनडिसाइडेड बग़ैर किसी फ़ैसले के, और फाइट को बग़ैर किसी फ़ैसले के वो छोड़कर चले गए. बग़ैर कोई फ़ैसला सुने दोनों अपनी फ़ाइट कंप्लीट करके चले गए. Now coming to question number 8. Keeping in view the relationship of two friends, it is easier or harder for them to fight each other. Support your answer by giving references from the text. Answer is Ali and Gulsher are close friends. They run and attend the boxing club together. In order to become lightweight champion, they have to fight each other. They are so close to each other that it seems very hard for them to fight. They agree that they will fight each other as opponents. Opponents मुखालिफ, वो दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ लड़ेंगे मुखालिफ के तौर पर. But the fight won't affect their relationship. This is why the fight remains undecided. Now coming to question number 9. Are you satisfied with the ending? Support your response with congruent arguments. कॉन्जेंट आर्ग्यूमेंट्स पुख्ता दलाइल माकूल दलाइल के साथ अपनी बात की वजाहत करें या जवाब दें. Yes, I am satisfied with the ending. Ali and Gul were fast friends. A stage comes when the two friends have to choose between their friendship and the champion and the competition. They agree that they will fight for the championship, but the fight will not get in the way of the friendship. When they enter the ring, they fight so savagely that their friendship is at stake, but at the end they embrace each other and leave the ring. Yes, I am satisfied with the ending. Ali and Gulsher were fast friends, गहरे दोस्त. A stage comes when two friends have to choose between their friendship and competition. एक ऐसा टाइम आया जब उनको अपनी दोस्ती और मुकाबले के बीच में से किसी एक चीज़ को चुनना था. They agree that they will fight for the championship, but the fight will not get in the way of their friendship. उन्होंने वो इस बात पे राज़ी हुई कि वो चैम्पियनशिप के लिए लड़ेंगे, लेकिन उनकी लड़ाई का असर उनकी दोस्ती पर नहीं होगा. When they entered the ring, they fight so savagely. savagely बहुत वहशियाना तरीके से, बेरहमी से वो लोग लड़े. That their friendship is at stake, कि उनकी दोस्ती दाव पर लग गई. But at the end, लेकिन आखिर में they embraced each other, उन्होंने एक दूसरे को गले लगाया and leave the ring, और अखाड़े को छोड़कर चले गए. Now coming to activity, learn comprehension of unit number 2. You will get notes of these comprehension. Thank you.